Hey guys, this is Miss Bland. Just wanted to jump on to kind of go over pages 69 and 70 for those of you that may not have time to join us at 12 and needed a little help. I thought I would try to do a quick little video just to go over them. So this one is page 69. This might be page 70. I'm really not sure. But these pages are simply using a way to make 10. And so for the kids, it's going to be a matter of them looking at the problem. This is page 70. This is a matter of them looking at the problem, finding the missing number, and being able to match it to the other equation. So for instance, if this one is 10 and I'm trying to get to 12, you can have the kids, we have these inside of the pencil box that I gave them in their brown bag. There are a set of 10s and 1s if that helps. So my starting number was 10, so you could show the kid 10, and then you could say, I'm trying to get to 12. What do I have to do? And you can have them tell you that they had to add 2 more. Therefore, that number is 2. Same thing, I have a 10. I'm trying to get to 13. I added 3. So my missing number, of course, would be a 3. And then same here, it would be a 7, a 5. And then here you'd start them off with the 4 and have them hopefully show you that they need to add a 10. What the pose is asking you to do is to solve first. So you will solve all. So same thing here, you can use the 1s, you can use fingers. This is the math that I'm really pushing for them to know by October, is adding to 20 without any assistance. But right now I know we're still using fingers and toes and pennies and all kinds of things. There are counters and there are 10s and 1s in that box if they need those to make this happen. 9 plus 8, of course, is 17. 9 plus 6 is 15, and so forth and so on. Then, of course, you're wanting to find the matching answers. So if this answer was 15, then I want to draw a line because this answer is 15. So that's how you complete the top of that page. The bottom of that page, number 10, Ronnie uses 7 brown bricks and 8 red bricks to build a fort. I always encourage the kids to underline what they know. So 5 brown bricks, 8 red bricks. They're going to build this fort. How many bricks does he use in all? In all, we're going to circle because in all is a keyword that tells us to add. So you can have the kids to draw out their bricks. So if there were 5 brown ones, I would need to have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if they were going to use their red ones, they're going to be 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I know that my picture, so we have some steps in math. It's called read, draw, and write. So I read it, I drew it, and then I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 8 equals, and I'm going to add them together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 equals 13, and 13 goes on my line. That is the process for completing page 70. Then a little practice review for how to make 10 to add to 20. This is what we're working on the polka dot page, and some of them were a little confused. Your goal is to make 10 because it is shown that if they can make the 10, then adding is easier. So I know I have 9 here. If I have 9, how many more do I need to get to 10? The answer is 1. So this will be 1 because now this makes a 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. In the same token, if this was a 4, it was my whole. We talked about number bonds last week. If this was my whole and 1, then this is a 3. And 10 plus 3 is 13. So this would be 13. Same here, I have an 8. So I know I need 2 more to make 10. So there's my 8. So 8 plus 2 equal 10. And then I know if I had 5 and I have 2, this has to be a 3 to make the number bond. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So my answer is 13. Yes, I know we could just use our fingers, but this is a math technique that they're teaching, and we just want to be sure the kids have mastery of it. I'll practice another one just to be sure. We have 8, which means I need 2 more to get to 10, and then that's a remainder of 6, because 8 and 6 makes the whole. Excuse me, 2 and 6 make the whole. So 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 6 is 16. Sorry about the awful handwriting. I am writing with my mouse. It's 16. For 7, 7 needs 3 more. So there's my 3 and a 1. 7 and 3 make my 10. And then I have a 1 left. So 10 plus 1, of course, we know is 11. 11 goes here. That is the process that you will use to complete page 69. Very same thing they've done here. We had 8 and 2. 8 and 2 go together. 8 and 2 make 10. Then I take that 10, I move it down, I add my remaining 2. And that gives me my answer of 12. You will use that same process to answer each question on page 70. I hope this helps. If there's anything else I can do, please just let me know.